Hi, I'm Shannon Gavin Johnson, the Director of Legacy Museum on Main, and this is a brief moment in LaGrange's history. The first documented report of an unidentified flying object in this area was in 1938 when a young man witnessed a domed saucer with portholes in southwest LaGrange. He told the paper the saucer was flying low in broad daylight and was moving north at a speed of over 1,000 miles per hour. A young housewife who lived near the railroad crossing on South Greenwood Street had an encounter in the fall of 1963. From her front porch, she looked south, and less than 100 yards away, she saw a huge football field-sized UFO with flashing lights hovering only 20 feet above the railroad tracks. After reading her report in the LaGrange Daily News, a railroad worker was able to corroborate her story. He had seen the same thing while working on the rails. As recently as October of 1987, multiple reports were received by the LaGrange Police Department after residents in the Springdale and Azalea Drive area saw something described as a bright star with flashing green, yellow, and red lights. The newspaper almost always had a logical explanation, but among those who search for unidentified flying objects, it is believed that LaGrange is situated in what is called the Troup Herd Corridor, which has a long history of UFO sightings. Extraterrestrial craft are spotted often, and alien entities, including interterrestrial beings, have been occasionally encountered. Around 1 a.m. on April 1, 1966, 3 LaGrange college students claimed to have seen some sort of extraterrestrial craft. Their report was carefully investigated by what the U.S. Air Force termed Project Blue Book. An investigator was sent from Robins Air Force Base near Macon to LaGrange to determine exactly what the young men saw that night. After calls were made to Fort Benning and several other nearby military installations, the investigator determined the guys observed the stars Capella, Betelgeuse, and the planet Jupiter. To learn more about strange and interesting facts about LaGrange, come take our Strange LaGrange tour on Friday nights. This has been a brief moment in LaGrange's history.